Alrighty, everybody. So this is August Loot Crate. I'm really excited for this one, specifically because this seems really heavy. Compared to the past two Loot Crates that I've gotten, this one seems kind of heavy. So I think there's like exciting stuff in here. So I'm gonna open this up with the knife because I can't find my scissors. Ooh, I see Marvel stuff. I see Marvel stuff. Where's my pin? I don't want to look at it too much. Villains 2 crate. Awesome. This is the Villains 2 crate. Woo! Alright, cool. Alright, so obviously I need to start with the huge box that says Marvel on top. Oh, no preview of what's inside. This is still a mystery. Oh my god. Please don't rip the box. Ah, I'm so bad at this. It's a box of styrofoam! Eh. Oh my god. Can you guys not be terrible in my chat right now? Holy shit, it's a mug. When I felt that the box was heavy, I was like, I think there's a mug in here. Oh shit. Look. Oh my god. This is cool. It's Venom. Porcelain. Holy crap, that's really cool. Alright, I need to make coffee later. Can I get some capital COFFEEs in the chat, please? Okay. Bubba! Bubba, thank you so much for the 3-month resub. I really appreciate that. Okay. There's a yellow thingy and a baggie. It looks like it may be an apron, but that wouldn't make sense. Whoa. Oh my god, it is an apron. What? Okay, hold on. Oh, sweet, sweet HyperX, I'm so sorry for dropping you. Alright, we got it. Let's cook up some chicken, boys. Woo! Woo! Yes! Is this like also like a breakfast themed box? Because we got the coffee mug and now we got the apron. I think Loot Crate wants us to make some breakfast. I think we're good, right? Okay, I'll keep wearing this till the end. Jesus Christ, okay. Whoa. Painted woodblock figure of the Joker. Hold on, let me minimize League. It's, I guess you can change his face or something? Oh look, it even has Loot Crate right up on the top. This is Loot Crate only. Hey, you want a Loot Crate and chill? That's cool. Oh, there's a Superman and a Batman one too, but right now we got the Joker one. Alright. Oh my god. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Eh. There's my scissor. Sorry, hit my mic. What is in here? Oh! That's so cool! It's a pin! That's going to go on my apron. Holy shit, that is so cool. Look at it! It's like metal. Holy crap. Hail Hydra, baby! Let's put that. By the way, if you guys would like your own Loot Crate box every month and get your own fucking sweet ass pin and aprons, each month it's a different theme. Probably should have explained this at the beginning, but I was too excited to open it. So every month is a theme. This is Villains 2. So this is all like the villainous characters. There is a link that I just put in my chat. If you use my specific link, you can get 10% off. So go there, check it out. Totally worth it. I've been in love with all of these crates so far. So this is fucking sweet. Oh, do I really want to poke holes in this though? Yes, I do. Okay. Hail Hydra. Okay. Cool. And that's it. And then we just get our little booklet of whatever is inside. Sweet. All right. Good crate. I knew when I felt that the crate was heavy that there'd be a mug in it. I was like, oh, but I don't want to get my hopes up. Oh man, that is so cool. Alrighty. Until next month, everybody, when we have another fabulous Loot Crate to open.